Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity along with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn about names related to parallel lines and transversal lines. Materials required for this activity: 3 broomsticks, 1 stick of 35 cm and 2 sticks of 20 cm, 8 square sheets of 12 cm by 12 cm, 4 sheets of the same color, glue, protractor. If you have all the materials ready, let's begin. Take the square papers and fold them as shown. Fold the papers in half and paste the ends using glue. Take the 35 cm broomstick and paste 2 paper foldings, leaving a gap of 3 cm from one end of the broomstick as shown. Remember to alternate the colors of the paper foldings. Take a 20 cm long broomstick and paste the free ends of paper foldings as shown. Remember to alternate the colors of the paper foldings. Take 2 more pieces of paper foldings and paste them to the model as shown. Now, at the other end of 35 cm broomstick, repeat steps 3 to 5. Your model should look like this. If your model doesn't look like this, don't worry. You can watch back the video before continuing further. Now that we have our model ready, let's label some angles. All these angles are formed when the transversal passes through 2 lines. Interior angles of parallel lines. Angles formed inside parallel lines are interior angles. You can see there are 4 angles formed. Exterior angles of parallel lines. Angles formed outside parallel lines are called as exterior angles. You can see there are 4 angles formed. Corresponding angles of parallel lines. Corresponding angles are the angles that occupy the same relative position at each intersection. There are 4 pairs of corresponding angles as shown. Vertically opposite angles. If 2 lines intersect, then the opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. Alternate interior angles of parallel lines. The pair of angles formed on the inner side of the parallel lines but on the opposite side of transversal are called as alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles of parallel lines. These angles are formed on the outer side of transversal on different sides. Hope you guys have learnt about the angles. We will continue to learn the rest in part 2. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.